Congratulations, you're engaged! This is an incredibly exciting time filled with love, dreams, and the grand adventure of wedding planning. Planning your dream wedding is a journey. It's a journey that comes with moments of pure joy and maybe a little stress, but don't worry, it's all part of the process. Remember, this day is about celebrating your love story. My goal is to make this process easy and fun for you. This guide will serve as your roadmap. It's filled with tips and tricks. You'll learn how to navigate each step with grace and style. Get ready to say I do to your dream wedding. First things first, let's talk about the budget. Determining a realistic budget is crucial. It sets the tone for all your wedding decisions. Sit down with your partner and families. Discuss how much you're comfortable spending. Next comes the guest list. This can be exciting and maybe a little overwhelming. Start by making a list of everyone you'd like to invite. Then, refine it based on your budget and venue capacity. Remember, a smaller, intimate wedding can be just as magical as a grand affair. Now for the fun part, choosing your date and venue. Think about the time of year you envision getting married. Do you dream of a spring garden wedding, a summer beach ceremony, or a cozy winter celebration? Once you have a season in mind, start researching venues that fit your style and budget. Consider factors like capacity, location, and availability. Visit your top choices and envision your special day unfolding in each space. With your date and venue secured, it's time to assemble your dream team of vendors. These talented professionals will play a vital role in bringing your vision to life. Start with the essentials: photographer, videographer, florist, caterer, entertainment, and cake artist. Look for vendors whose styles align with yours. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations, read reviews, and schedule consultations. Remember, communication is key throughout the entire process. Section 5. A vision of elegance, dress, theme, and decor. Now it's time to talk about the details that will transform your wedding into a visual masterpiece: your dress, theme, and decor. Finding your dream wedding dress is an experience like no other. Start browsing bridal boutiques and websites early. Once you've said yes to the dress, think about your wedding theme and overall aesthetic. Do you envision a romantic, rustic, modern, or vintage affair? Let your personal style guide you in selecting colors, flowers, linens, and other decorative elements. Section 6. The countdown begins. A wedding planning timeline. To stay organized and on track, it's essential to create a wedding planning timeline. This timeline will serve as your roadmap, ensuring that every detail is taken care of in a timely manner. Start by working backwards from your wedding date and assigning deadlines for tasks. Some key milestones to include are sending save the dates, ordering invitations, finalizing vendor contracts, and applying for your marriage license. Remember, this timeline is a guide. Don't be afraid to adjust it as needed. Section 7. Managing the mayhem tips for staying sane. Wedding planning can be stressful at times, but it's important to remember to enjoy the journey. Delegate tasks to your bridal party, family, or friends who are eager to help. Don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Take breaks from planning to recharge and reconnect with your partner. Schedule date nights, enjoy your favorite hobbies, and prioritize self-care. Remember, a calm and centered bride is a happy bride. Section 8. The big day. Relax, enjoy, and create memories. The day you've been dreaming of has finally arrived. Today is all about celebrating your love story with the people who matter most. Take a moment to soak in every moment, from getting ready with your bridesmaids to sharing your first dance as a married couple. Trust that your vendors have everything under control. Let go of any worries or anxieties and embrace the magic of this extraordinary day. Section 9. Conclusion. From I do to happily ever after. As the night draws to a close, take a deep breath and cherish these final moments as newlyweds. Your wedding day is a celebration of love, commitment, and the beginning of your forever after. May your journey as a married couple be filled with joy, laughter, and countless adventures. Remember, the love you share is what truly matters. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs.